Are you beginning a new design project and looking for the snow, wind and seismic external loads, or are you documenting the structural calculations? Use our GeoZone tool to quickly determine the external loads of your project without the need to reference additional sources. We offer interactive load zoning maps on our website. Determine local snow loads, wind speeds and seismic data according to Eurocode, ASCE 7 and other international standards. We continually update the map data. Enter the location in the search field, or click the location directly on the map. You can print the required loads and map sections in PDF files, for example, and add them to your load calculations. To determine the correct load values, the exact position and height above sea level based on Google Maps is considered for the output. Also use the option to import your required map sections into the RSTAB or RFEM printout report. If you are interested in offering your clients these interactive maps on your own website, or if you would like to provide the loads for your preferred location, take advantage of this offer from Dlubal. Switch to full screen mode. Select the preferred location. Copy the URL of our website, and finally integrate it to your own website source code. Our new web service also offers the ability to automatically transfer load values to other external applications for your use without having to determine the values from our website. For unlimited map use, simply purchase one of our GeoZone tool packages to determine additional map load values with our web service tool.